The children's unit of the Accra Psychiatric Hospital is in need of a neurologist to examine patients at the department. A neurologist is a special doctor who examines and treats disorders that affect the brain, spinal cord and nerves, which are major causes of child mental health problems. According to authorities at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital, there is currently no such doctor at the children's block, adding that when the children are initially diagnosed and admitted, they have no access to a doctor except when they have physical illnesses such as malaria or fever. CODEF Africa, an NGO into mental health, organized a cleanup exercise and made a donation to the health facility as part of the celebration of World Mental Health Day. Currently, there are 16 children on admission at the children's block who are catered for by only 2 nurses at any time. According to the nurses, the disorders the children suffer from are mostly neurological and cannot be treated, only managed. They said there will be the need for a specialized doctor to periodically visit the hospital and examine them. Anna Nyumi is a senior staff nurse.
A neurologist would take care of the brain, would really know the conditions that really affect the brain. So the necessary measures and the necessary drugs and investigations will be made. But without the help of a neurologist, we are only doing what we think to manage the condition without really having investigations, results. As of now, we have 16 children. So 4 per 1 neurologist will do. We have to brush their teeth, we feed, we dress them up to go to school. They come back from school around 12 p.m. We have to change them. Then all those who have cuckoo, you change diapers.
As the world marks Mental Health Day today, CODEF Africa visited the unit and donated items including toiletries and drinks and an unspecified amount of cash to the unit. The Public Relations and Events Manager of CODEF Africa, Mrs. Patricia Mensah-Lakai, appeals to government to make the services of a neurologist available to the children's unit.
Today is to sensitize the public, create awareness. Today, marking the UN International Day for Mental Health, we thought it wise to organize this cleanup exercise at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital's Children's Ward. And because CODEF Africa as an NGO is passionate about the issue of mental health and the creating of awareness concerning mental health and maternal health, we thought it wise to choose the Children's Ward of the Accra Psychiatric Hospital for this course. And coincidentally, it marks the birthday of our founder, Mr. Nana Asante. And so we thought coming here to cut his cake, celebrate his day with the children, would also bring a bit of joy into the lives of these children, letting them know that today, worldwide, is being celebrated in their honor, and so they should feel that impact. Dormitories, for instance, they would need a lot more in terms of ventilation. If we could get support from donors to help create a bit more of ventilation for them, increase the windows, trying to get them to have a lot more fresh air. And then also they would need a neurologist to kind of give them from time to time therapy, because these are conditions that they're suffering as a result of some impairments in their brain functions. We're calling on corporate Ghana to channel some of their corporate social responsibility towards the issue of mental health, and especially the Accra Psychiatric Hospital. And CODEF Africa is ready to partner with any organization that is ready to offer us their support in cash and in kind. We are ready and willing to hold ourselves accountable so that the needs of these children would be met.
Today also is my birthday, so we decided to come to the Accra Psychiatric Hospital, to be specific, the children's ward, to do a cleanup and donate some items and some physical cash to them. We've realized that we are not doing much as a nation when it comes to the mental health aspect. That is why we decided to come and celebrate World Mental Health Day with them and just donate some items to them.
Authorities at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital thanked CODEF Africa for the donation and appealed to other NGOs to support mental health care delivery in the country.